Does your laptop take forever to start? Long loading screen, slow boot, everything feels delayed. Here are 3 simple fixes that can make Windows start much faster. First, let's turn off Fast Startup. Even though the name sounds helpful, this feature can sometimes cause startup issues and slower boot times. Open Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Then click Power Options. On the left side, click Choose what the power buttons do. Now click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Then click Save Changes. This helps Windows start more cleanly, especially after updates or improper shutdowns. Now let's reduce heavy background activity during startup. Some apps continue running in the background when Windows starts. Too many background processes can slow startup speed and make your laptop feel sluggish. Right-click the taskbar. Then click Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Look for apps using high memory or CPU usage. Right-click apps you don't currently need. Then click End Task. Focus only on apps you recognize, like browsers, launchers, or chat apps. Avoid ending important Windows processes. This next step makes a surprisingly big difference for many laptops. Sometimes Windows is still downloading or installing updates in the background. That can slow startup performance without you noticing. Open Settings. Click Windows Update. Check if updates are downloading or installing. If an update looks stuck for a long time, restart your laptop and check again. Also make sure your laptop finished pending updates before shutting it down. If your laptop still uses an HDD, upgrading to an SSD gives the biggest startup improvement. SSDs load Windows much faster than traditional hard drives. Even small startup delays add up over time, so these fixes can make your laptop feel much more responsive every day. Those are simple ways to fix slow startup on Windows. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And comment below how long your laptop takes to start.